Hey, how are you? This is Brando, and I will talk to you this time about the different kinds of lawyers you can find. There are a lot of lawyers out there, and they have very different functions. Okay, so I will tell you about some of them in this during this video. I think I'm going to have to make two or three to be able to tell you. Not all of them, but like the most common ones. Okay. I will start with the personal injury lawyer. Okay, personal injury lawyers are the ones that you are going to need if you've suffered injuries in an accident. Okay, for example, a car accident. This type of lawyer, they are this type of attorneys specialize in obtaining compensation in the form or damages for injuries caused by other people. Okay. That means that if you had a car accident, if you were in the mall and you slipped and you fell and you broke your head, you can sue the mall, and you're going to have to call a personal injury lawyer. The second one is the estate planning lawyer. The estate planning lawyer specializes in wills and trusts. Okay, and can help you to draw up and will to pass on your assets. Among other estate planning's legal services, this type of lawyer can help you set up a trust which will help take care of your children's financial needs. If you know that you're going to die soon, or you know that a relative is going to die soon, you can call a estate planning lawyer for you to be able to leave everything like okay for your children or your wife or whoever you want. Okay, if you want to leave all your belongings to your children, you can just make a will and put their names on it. Okay, if you want your kids and wife and family to be taken care of, for them to be okay I don't know if the rest of your life, that depends on how much money you have, but that's the kind of lawyer you will need in that occasion. The next one is the bankruptcy lawyer. The bankruptcy lawyer is the one that you're going to call when you are sure you're going bankrupt. When you're going bankrupt, this type of lawyer can advise you on your eligibility for bankruptcy, the type of bankruptcy you will want to consider, and which type will be best for you for your particular circumstances. Okay, as well as any potential alternative to bankruptcy, which you might want to explore. If you're having financial problems or you think that you're going bankruptcy, you're going to have to call a bankruptcy lawyer. Intellectual property lawyer is mostly known as IP law attorney, and he or she can advise you with regard to issues relating to intellectual property, such as copyrights, trademarks, patents, industrial designs, and trade secrets. If you have a company and you think someone is copying your product, or that person just took your product, took off your name or your company's name and then sold it like that, you're going to have to call an intellectual property lawyer. Okay, it's called intellectual property lawyer because that thing that you're selling, the thing that you created, that's your property, but it's not like something physical, but like your idea that the person is stealing. Next one is a employment lawyer. Whether you are a company that's having problems with an employee, or that you are an individual who's having problems with the company you work for, an employment lawyer can generally provide advice about legal issues which arise from an employment contract or within an employment relationship. If you are the employee or if you are the employer and you're having problems with your employee, or if you're the employee and you're having problems with the employer, the employment lawyer can help you in that case, because I know that some scenarios or some environments can be tough, both for the employer and the employee. So you're going to have to call the employment lawyer. And the last one I have is the corporate lawyer. The corporate lawyer is the one that you're going to have to call if you own a corporation. This one is going to be able to help you with issues related to the formation of your corporation, general corporate governance issues, and corporate compliance issues. Okay, these are all the type of lawyers I'm going to tell you right now. Thank you very much for paying attention, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Hola, soy Brando y en esta ocasión les voy a hablar sobre los diferentes tipos de abogados que existen. En este momento no les voy a decir todos los tipos de abogados porque la verdad es que son muchos, pero les voy a nombrar algunos. Pienso que voy a tener que hacer 2 o 3 videos sobre abogados para que puedan tener una idea de cuáles son los abogados que existen y cuál es su nombre en inglés. Okay. Voy a comenzar con Personal Injury Lawyer. Este es el tipo de abogado que tú necesitarías en el caso de que sufras un accidente, sea un accidente automovilístico, sea que vayas en el centro comercial, te caigas y te fracturas una pierna o de repente te rompas la cabeza. Por tú haber sufrido eso en el centro comercial, puedes demandar al centro comercial. O sea, no creo que mucha gente lo haga, pero puedes hacerlo. O si estás en la casa de un amigo y esa persona limpió y te caíste y lo quieres demandar, si es tu amigo no creo que lo vayas a hacer, pero hay gente que de repente lo haría. Este es el tipo de abogado que necesitarías, Personal Injury Lawyer. ¿Okay? El segundo tipo de abogado es el Estate Planning Lawyer. Este es el tipo de abogado que necesitarías en el caso de que piensas que te vayas a morir pronto, o en el caso de que un familiar tuyo vaya a morir pronto, cuando quieras dejarle algo a tus familiares o le quieras dejar algo a alguien, tienes que, para hacer este tipo de abogado se encarga de escribir los testamentos para que la persona pueda dejarle todas sus pertenencias o todo lo que está a su nombre a alguien. Luego tenemos el Bankruptcy Lawyer. Bankruptcy Lawyer es el que se encarga de ayudarte cuando estés seguro de que vayas a caer en bancarrota. Te da consejos sobre qué tipo de bancarrota cuando uno se va a declarar en bancarrota. Hay diferentes tipos de bancarrota. Entonces este tipo de abogado te puede dar consejos sobre qué tipo de bancarrota vas a elegir, por así decirlo. Y dependiendo del tipo de bancarrota que vayas a escoger, dependiendo de tu situación. El siguiente es Intellectual Property Lawyer. El Intellectual Property Lawyer se encarga de ayudarte en el caso de que sientas que alguien de que tengas algún tipo de problemas con propiedad intelectual. ¿A qué me refiero con propiedad intelectual? Con copyrights, patentes o diseños industriales, o algún tipo de secretos que tengas de tu compañía. Cualquier cosa que te pertenezca, pero no sea algo físico, sino que sea algo como una idea que tú hayas tenido y alguien te robó una idea, o alguien está usando algo tuyo con otro nombre, necesitas llamar a un Intellectual Property Lawyer. Los Intellectual Property Lawyer también son conocidos como IP Attorney. Ese es el otro nombre que se le puede dar. Luego está el Employment Lawyer. El employment lawyer te ayuda en el caso de que tú seas el empleador o en el caso de que tú seas el empleado y estés teniendo problemas con el empleado o con el empleador. ¿Okay? En el caso de que haya algún tipo de problema en el área laboral, el employment lawyer es el que se encarga de resolver cualquier tipo de inconveniente, cualquier tipo de injusticia que pueda haber. Y finalmente tengo el corporate lawyer. El corporate lawyer es el que se encarga de ayudar a las personas que tienen corporaciones, a las personas que tienen compañías grandes, y ellos lo ayudan con problemas relacionados con la formación de su corporación, problemas generales que pueda tener con la gente, con la corporación, pueden escribir los contratos si van a hacer algún tipo de alianza con otras compañías. Estos abogados son los que escriben los contratos. Y bueno, estos son los tipos de abogados que tengo por ahora. Son muchos, son muchísimos más aparte de los que les nombré. Espero les haya gustado. Nos vemos en la próxima.